Hi, in this video I will show you how to check for updates on your WAHOO Roam cycling computer. Let's start by opening the settings by pressing the button on the left side. Then you need to scroll all the way left to the settings screen and scroll down to the device info. Open it and scroll down and tap on the check for updates, and there we need to wait a moment. And as you can see, our WAHOO is up to date. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.